Hello everybody. Today, we're diving into something that could seriously change the game for content creators, developers, and entrepreneurs alike. How to make money using Grok AI. Grok is a powerful AI tool designed to give you fast, intelligent responses with a ton of flexibility. It's built with advanced language processing capabilities, meaning you can use it in a variety of ways. To write high-quality content, build smart tools and applications, or even generate full video scripts like this one. What makes Grok especially valuable is that it's not just for seasoned pros. Whether you're a complete beginner just exploring the possibilities of AI or someone with experience in content creation, marketing, or coding, Grok offers tools and features that can help you move faster and more efficiently. And yes, even turn your time into income. When you first open Grok, it looks just like any other chatbot. The interface is clean and simple. But what makes it special is how quickly it responds and how well it understands what you want. You type in a question or a task, and Grok gives you results almost instantly. That makes it a great tool for people who want to save time and get real work done. Now let's look at different ways you can turn this into income. The first method is written content. This will always be in demand. People need blog posts, SEO articles, product descriptions, ad copy, and social media captions. If you can deliver this kind of content, you can get paid. One of the easiest ways to start making money with Grok AI is by using it to write blog posts. You don't need to be a professional writer, and you don't need hours to come up with content from scratch. Let's say you want to create something on a popular topic like how to lose weight or how to start freelancing. You just open Grok and give it a prompt like, write an SEO-friendly blog post titled, How to Start Freelancing. Include relevant keywords, clear headings, and a structured layout. In just a few seconds, Grok gives you a full article, already broken up with sections and subheadings and usually packed with keyword-rich content that can perform well in search engines. That gives you a strong draft to work with right away. From there, all you need to do is go through it and make some quick edits. Fix any awkward grammar, tweak the tone to match your voice or the needs of your client, and maybe add a few examples or extra tips to make it feel more personal or valuable. On freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, you will see people charging tons of money for a 1,000-word blog post. Some charge even more for product descriptions or technical writing. If you can produce 2 or 3 of these per day with help from Grok, the numbers add up. It's a fast way to start building a side income or even a full-time job. It's important to note that Grok is not replacing your writing skills. It's helping you speed things up. You still need to review, edit, and make sure the content sounds natural. But the hardest part, starting with a blank page, is gone. That's where Grok gives you the edge. Another great way to earn money with Grok is through simple coding projects. And the best part is, you don't need to be an experienced developer to get started. Grok can write full code for basic tools, scripts, or web apps that people actually want to use. Let's say you want to create a basic to-do list app. You can ask Grok to generate it using only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It'll give you all the code you need, structured and ready to test. Once you have the code, you can take it over to a browser-based editor like LiveWeave or CodePen, paste it in, and see it working right away. LiveWeave lets you paste HTML in one panel, CSS in another, and JavaScript in the last one. Once you do that, the app runs in your browser immediately. You'll be able to add tasks, check them off, and delete them. This is a working app built in seconds. Now, a to-do list might be simple, but it shows the potential. You can go further and ask Grok to build calculators, landing pages, mini-games, or product showcases. Many small business owners need tools like these for their websites, but don't know how to build them. That's where you come in. You can offer to build small custom apps and charge for them. Even if you don't know how to code well, Grok explains the code so you can learn as you go. That means you're getting work done and improving your skills at the same time. It's a practical way to grow into freelance tech work without having to take long courses. If you enjoy social media, there's another opportunity. You've probably seen quiz videos on TikTok and Instagram. Science quizzes, movie trivia, personality tests, these videos get lots of views. Grok can help you generate the content and even the tool to make them. Just ask Grok to build a quiz app with 15 or 150 questions and answers using HTML, CSS, and JS. Use the same LiveWeave site to test the code. You'll see a simple interface with questions and multiple choice answers. You can then take those questions and plug them into a Canva template or any video editor to turn them into daily content. Once you have a working flow, you can create and post quiz content every day. If you stay consistent, your videos could reach thousands or even millions of people. That kind of reach can lead to brand deals, sponsorships, and more monetization options. You just need to keep posting and stay in the game long enough to see results. Consistency is the key. Making content every day might seem hard at first, but the more you do it, the easier it gets. If you can post 1 or 2 videos daily, you increase your chances of being picked up by the algorithm. It's a numbers game, and Grok can help you scale faster than doing it all manually. Another useful method is creating scripts for other people. A lot of content creators struggle with writing scripts for their videos. Whether it's for YouTube, TikTok, or a podcast, writing takes time and planning. You can offer a service where you provide ready-to-use scripts written with the help of Grok. If someone needs a video on a topic like how to build muscle at home, you simply prompt Grok with the request. You can guide it to use a friendly tone and choose the format, either a list-style breakdown or a more story-driven script. Grok generates a draft script based on your instructions, giving you the core content to work with. From there, your job is to refine and structure that script. You make the language flow more naturally, ensure the tone matches the client's brand, and adjust the pacing so it sounds good when spoken aloud. You also look out for opportunities to enhance viewer engagement, maybe by tweaking the intro to grab attention or reordering points for better impact. You can offer this as a service on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, or even reach out directly to content creators, YouTubers, and small businesses that regularly post videos. Having a few strong examples of your work goes a long way. Create a small portfolio that shows how you take an AI-generated draft and turn it into a polished, engaging script. Once people see the time and energy they can save and the quality you bring to the table, they'll be more than willing to pay you to handle the scripting process for them. This method also works if you want to start your own channel. If you've been thinking about making YouTube videos or short-form content but don't know what to say, Grok will give you the full script to get started. This helps you stay focused and get your ideas out quickly. From intro to outro, it can guide you step by step. And if you enjoy writing even more, consider getting into ad copy. This is writing short but powerful messages that help sell a product or service. Businesses pay a lot for good ad copy because it drives sales. Ask Grok to generate ad copy for a product, and it will give you several versions to choose from. Refine the best one, make it match the brand, and deliver. The great thing about Grok is that it works across all of these use cases. Whether you write, code, make videos, or run a business, you can find ways to save time and make your work better. The more you use it, the better you'll get at prompting it, and the better the results you'll get. You don't need to learn everything at once. Pick one area, like blog writing or coding small tools. Focus on that for a few weeks, build a few samples, share them, sell them. Once you feel confident, try something else. Stack your skills. Maybe mix writing with design or coding with content creation. This makes you more valuable in the marketplace. So take advantage of this. Practice using Grok. Try different prompts. Test the results. Improve them. Keep going. Don't wait until you feel ready. Just start. You'll get better with every project. That's it for today. These are just a few ways to use Grok AI to make money online. Whether you're starting a side hustle or building a full business, the tools are already here. You just have to use them.